So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can log into old Instagram account. It may be very old, like 4 to 5 years old, or even 1 to 2 months old. Any kind of account that is alive on Instagram, but you want to recover it and you are not able to log in, I'll let you know that how you can do it. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application and log into any other Instagram account. And even if you are not logged into any other account, that's not the problem. But if you are logged in, what you have to do is you have to go to the search button and search the name of that account that you want to recover. For example, this is the account that I know, and I have to just type their name and that account may pop up. If you know its username, that will be better for searching that account. So this is the one. After searching that account, you have to remember its username. You can also take a screenshot like this to remember the username. So this was the first step. After remembering the username, next you have to log into another account using an existing one. And next you have to go to the Instagram login screen. Here you have to type in that username that we have just taken the screenshot of. And after typing in the username, you have to tap on this forgot password button, and here it will ask you for the email or username of that account. If you don't remember the username of that account, you can type in the email address here which was associated with that account. But if you don't have access to that email address, you can simply type in the username that I'm just going to do it here. And even if you remember the phone number and have access to it which was associated to that account, you can also tap on find by mobile number instead and type in the mobile number which was associated with that particular account. Otherwise, you can continue with email or username instead. And after typing in the username, now as soon as you press the continue button, then it will say that a code has been sent to your email address which was associated with that particular account. This will also get you know about the email address which was associated with it and you had forgotten it. And here you can see that we have received the code, and you just have to enter that code here, and let's see what happens. Press the continue button. If you don't have access to that email address, you can go with try another way, and there you can provide your phone number. Then you can receive the code on your mobile number in that case. The point here is you may need access to either your email address which was associated to this account or the phone number which was associated with it. And here you can see that we have logged in. I'm not saving the login info for now, and there you go. Here you can see that I have been logged in. So that's how you recover your old Instagram account. Thank you so much.